Hey, what's up everybody? It's Fatal Vapes from Instagram. I've been getting some requests on how to do edits and put music and stuff in them. The quality of this video isn't going to be amazing because I am using my other phone so I can film and show you what's going on this phone. So let's just start it off. You're going to need a couple apps. I use iMovie to do the editing, and then I use Documents to get the music and any other clips I'm going to use for the video. So to start off your video, a lot of people say to record in slow-mo, so you can go back and slow your videos up if you want. So I recommend using that. And if you look, your screen's going to constantly be zooming in and out to find focus points. So you can click and hold and set your AF lock so it doesn't do that, and it'll stay in focus a little better. So that's a quick tip on the videos itself. Alright, after you get your videos and you're ready to edit, open up iMovie and just import whatever you want to edit. I guess we'll just do a couple of these here that I just put on. Fuck. I should have recorded a couple things for this, but I'll just click on a few just to get them in there. Alright, so you import them in to the iMovie. This takes a minute if you have a shitty ass camera like mine. Alright, and I like to stretch them out. You can pinch on the screen and stretch everything out so you can work with it a little better. I go in and fuck around with a few things. So basically you're just going in and editing it however you want to edit. You go through, let's say you want to chop it right there, just split it, delete what you don't want, split it where you want it to end, and delete the rest of the clip. Alright, so you've edited all your videos and you're ready to add music. Here's the fun part. Alright, so you go to YouTube or anywhere that you want to get your music from. I'll show you how I did my last one. So I found that song in Instagram itself on a page. So you can just come down to the song, click on it. Let me get that. Copy the link. Okay. Now, go to Documents. Click on this little thing right there in the corner. It's like the Internet Explorer in Documents. Alright. Go to the top. Come on, bitch. Focus on that. Alright. So in the search bar, you want to type save from net. Go. Now it's going to be the first one. Save the fastest free YouTube downloader. Click on that and now paste whatever URL you're trying to get in the bar. That'll pop up to say download, yes, and now that has downloaded. Go back to the folders pages and you'll see a folder named downloads. You want to click edit, select it, and move this to your iCloud. Let me get that back in screen. That's the screen that'll be there. So you just hit edit, select, move, iCloud, save. Alright, now just go back over to iMovie, hit the add button, go down to your iCloud drive, and if you have it set up to be, to date, it should be the first one. Boom. So now that's in your video. Now I like to shorten it all back up because it's a bitch to work with when it's like that. Alright, click on the video that you just put in there and hit detach, which will detach the audio. You can click it, drag it down to your video, and delete the video that you just put on there. Now click the song, drag it all the way back to the beginning of your video, and you should have music. Yeah. Alright. So you can get all this where you need it to be. So you got your music in there, you got your clip in there, everything looked good, and you are ready to roll. Done. Save the video. I like to save it in the highest format possible, 720p for this one. Now that'll download, export it to your library, fam. And now you can go to Instagram and upload your work of. Hell yeah. Alright, so that's how you do it, guys. If you guys have any questions or need any more help, shoot me a message, leave me a comment on my YouTube or my Instagram. Have fun with it. Can't wait to see any edits. If you guys use this to help you out, tag me so I can see how you did. Peace out. Enjoy.